our channel and happy Sunday. We're at CVS. We're going to be doing the digital deals of the week. Now, I know I didn't update you guys last week. I didn't get a chance to post. I was just completely out of it last week. So we skipped the digital deals on YouTube, but I did post them on Instagram. I posted a ton of scenarios. So if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, I am posting scenarios there, like the written breakdowns. So if you want to see the deals early before the video, make sure you guys follow me there. But other than that, we are going into CVS. We have some really good deals this week. We got paper deals, we got laundry deals, we got it all. So let's go to the store, let's do these deals. Remember, all you need is your phone, the CVS app. Make sure you have an extra care account or an extra care card that you can link. That way you get access to the digital coupons, the CRTs, and you can also access your extra bucks through there. Now, if your account is fairly new, you're not gonna have a whole ton of CRTs because CRTs are based on your purchases. So the more you buy, the more you're gonna start to earn CRTs. And if you guys wanna do the deals without using the CRTs, you can absolutely do that. Just keep in mind, you are gonna pay a little higher out of pocket. If you don't have extra bucks to roll, meaning if you're gonna get a $5 extra buck for doing a deal, you wanna use a previous $5 extra buck to pay for that current deal. So you pay a little less and then you get the $5 extra buck from the current deal that you're doing. So you're like rolling the extra bucks. If you don't have extra bucks, then you are going to pay a little high out of pocket as well. But keep in mind, it's just like an investment. You're just going to pay a little more, but then you're going to get extra bucks, and then you're going to keep those extra bucks rolling. So just running it all down like usual. Now let's go into the store and show you the deals that we got this week. All right, guys, we're going to start off with our laundry products. We have a super easy, good one. Certain laundry products are on promo. When you spend $30, you're gonna get a $10 extra buck. Now, my store doesn't have tags up yet, but we're gonna be grabbing one of the Tide Pod containers on sale for $12.99. Definitely recommend scanning these products in the CVS app to see if the digital coupon attaches. Then we're also gonna be grabbing one of the Tide Liquid. These are also on sale for $12.99. And lastly, we're going to be grabbing a bag of the Gain Pods on sale for $5.49. So here we have our 3 items, and the digital coupons that we are going to be using is going to be a $3 off for our Tide Laundry, a $3 off for our Tide Pods, and a $2 off for our small Tide Pods. So now breaking this down, it is going to be $12.99 times 2 plus $5.49. That is going to bring us to $31.47. We are going to subtract our digital coupons, which we have a total of 8. That'll bring us to $23.47. We'll get $10 back in extra bucks, making it $13.47 for all of this. Now for my spend $30, get a $10 extra buck on the laundry items, I'm going to be doing a different scenario. I'm going to be grabbing one of the Tide Liquid on sale for $12.99 and using that $3 digital coupon. And I'm going to be pairing that with some Pampers. These are on sale, 2 for $22. Part of the exact same promotion. So I'm going to grab 2 of these, and for these we have a $3 off 2 digital coupon. Now I have a 5 off of 30 baby CRT that I want to use with the Pampers, but the Pampers are only $22. So I'm going to go ahead and grab a pack of the Pampers wipes, and I'm also going to stack a $2 off Pampers wipes CRT. So I'm going to go ahead and grab these here, and they are $10.49. So now breaking this down, it is going to be $12.99 plus 22 plus $10.49. That is going to bring us to $45.48. We are then going to subtract our $3 digital for Pampers, $3 digital for Tide, our $5 baby CRT, our $2 wipe CRT. That'll bring us down to $32.48. We are going to get $10 back in extra bucks for our products right here, making it only $22.48 for our 4 items. So that is going to be $5.62 each. Some other laundry items that are worth mentioning, we have the all. These are on sale, and then we have a $1.50 off 1 digital coupon. So it can make one of these as low as, I think, $2.49 or $1.99. And then, of course, check to see if you have any CRTs to lower your out-of-pocket. We also have the Persil. It is on sale for $5.99. We have a $2 digital, making it $3.99. But if you have any CRTs, then you can lower your out-of-pocket for these as well. Next sale that we have is going to be on the Burt's Beef Toothpaste. These are on sale for $4.99. And when you buy 2, you're going to get a $3 extra buck. So we're going to be picking up one of these, and we have a $2 off of 1 digital coupon. We're also going to be grabbing one of the Oral-B toothbrushes, the ones that are on sale for $4.99. It is the 2-pack, and we also have a $2 off of 1 digital coupon. So here we have our 2 items. Now breaking this down, it is going to be $4.99 times 2. That brings us to $9.98. We're going to subtract $4 in digitals. We're going to get $3 back in extra bucks. making it $2.98 for the two. But we also have an Ibotta rebate for the Burt's Bees, which is 25 cents back, making it a grand total of $2.73 for the two, which is $1.36 each. So not the best deal because we normally like to get the oral care free, but if you're like me and this is your favorite toothpaste, I absolutely love it. I just go ahead and get in on this deal. So you can check to see if you have any other CRTs to lower your out-of-pocket, and this is also a great filler item if you're using one of those big threshold CRTs, like a 10 off of 70. Next thing we have is going to be on some deodorant. Now these were cheaper, but the price went up, so it's a bummer. But we're going to start off by grabbing one of the Degree Women. These are part of the promotion of buy one get one 50% off. Spend $15 and get $5 in extra bucks. So I'm going to go ahead and pick up one of these. I am also going to be picking up one of the men one. They're priced $8.49 as well, part of the exact same promotion. And lastly, I'm going to be grabbing one of the Axe body sprays over here for $6.29. So here we have our 3 deodorants. We are going to be using a $1.25 off of 1 digital coupon for our Degree Women and for our men, a $1 off for our Axe, and we're going to be using a few CRTs. For overall, we're going to be using a 3 off of 15 deodorant CRT. Then we're going to be using a $2 off CRT for our Degree and a $2 off CRT for our Axe. Now breaking this down, it is going to be $8.49 times 1.5. That is going to bring us to $12.73. Plus we are going to add our $6.29 Axe, making it $19.02 for our 3 deodorants. Then we are going to subtract our $1 digital for our Axe, our $1.25 times 2 digitals for our Degree, our $2 CRT for our Degree, our $2 CRT for our Axe, and our 3 off of 15. That is going to bring us to $8.52. We are going to get $5 back in extra bucks, making this $3.52 for our 3 deodorants, which is $1.17 each. Next deal, super easy. We have the Gillette. These are buy 2 and get $4 in extra bucks, or buy 3 and get $10 back in extra bucks. So the goal is to find 3 of these, but this store only has 2. So you can do it with just 2, and I believe it's like $1.40 for the 2. But if you grab 3, it is a much better deal. So let's break this down. It is $4.19. That's the price at my store. We're gonna get one for 50% off. So our total for 2 is $6.28. If you were to only grab 2 and then get the $4 in extra bucks, it makes it $2.28 for the 2. But I do have a CRT for the Gillette shave. It's $1 off of when you spend 3. So it would make it $1.28 for the 2, which is not a bad deal. But let me show you. If you get 3, we're gonna add $4.19 here, bringing us to $10.47. I have that $1 off 3 CRT, bringing us to $9.47, and we'll get $10 back for buying 3, making it a 52-cent moneymaker. Next thing we're going to be doing some hair deals. We have the Dove. These are 3 for $14, and when you buy 3, you're going to get $3 in extra bucks. We have a $5 off of 3 digital coupon, but be very, very careful. Highly recommend scanning whichever Dove you are grabbing. Scan it in the CVS app and see if that $5 off of 3 digital coupon attaches. I scanned it myself to these products here, and it's not attaching, but it is attaching to the coconut one. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab 3 of these. Our total is gonna be $14, but then with that $5 digital, it's gonna bring us down to $9. We're gonna get $3 in extra bucks, making it only $2 each. Next hair deal, we have the L'Oreal. These are $5.29, and when you buy 3, you're gonna get $5 in extra bucks. Now we also have a $5 off of 3 digital coupon for this one. So breaking this one down, it is at $5.29 times 3, brings us to $15.87, minus our $5 digital. We'll get $5 in extra bucks, makes it $5.87 for our 3, which is $1.95 each. Now I believe we have a printable coupon for this one as well, a $5 off of 3. So if you print out the printable coupon and you clip the digital coupon, both of those will attach together. So you'll get $10 in savings with the coupons and $5 in extra bucks back, making this just a couple of cents. Now here I have my L'Oreal and my Dove. I'm gonna be combining these 2 deals together and throwing in a 4 off of 18 hair CRT. Breaking this down, it is a $14 for our Dove plus $5.29 times 3 for our L'Oreal, brings us to $29.87. We are going to subtract $10 for our digital coupons, our 4 off of 18 hair CRT. That'll bring us to $15.87. We are gonna get $3 in extra bucks for the Dove, $5 back for the L'Oreal, makes this $7.87 for our 6 items, which is going to be $131 each. So not a bad deal, but like I said, if you guys get the printable coupon as well for the L'Oreal plus the digital, you'll save an extra $5, making it $2.87 for our 6 products, which is 47 cents each. So definitely much better. Head over to coupons.com. I'll have it linked down below as well in the description so you guys can print that out. Next deal that we have is going to be on the Garnier. So these are $7.99, and when you buy 2, you're going to get $5 in extra bucks. Now these are the much bigger ones, and we have a $5 off of 2 digital coupon. So picking up 2 of these, our total is $16 minus the $5 digital brings us to $11. You get $5 back in extra bucks, making it $6 for the 2, which is $3 each. Now I'm gonna go ahead and grab 2 of these, and I have another 4 off of 18 CRTs. So I have 2 of those CRTs. So I'm actually gonna throw in this deal, this Garnier one, with our other hair deals, our L'Oreal and our Dove. I'm gonna use those 2 CRTs. After all of our CRTs, our digital coupons, and our extra bucks, makes it only $123 for our 8 items. We're getting 3 L'Oreal, 3 Dove, and then 2 of these Garnier ones. And these are the big ones. Next deal, we're going to be grabbing some Dove body wash, also the Love Beauty and Planet body wash. These are on sale for $7.99, so they have these here. They're not tagged, but I did scan them in the coupon center, which is where you print the CRTs, and it is bringing up as $7.99. So I'm going to be grabbing one of these, and for this one I have 2 CRTs. I have a $2 off CRT and a $3 off 1 CRT. So I'm going to use 2 of those. I'm also going to be grabbing any one of these Dove products for $7.99, and I have a $3 off 1 CRT, plus we have a $1 off of 1 digital coupon. But I'm looking around, and because we have these new products here, they tend to put coupons with the product. There's a $3 off of 1, so check your store to see if you have this $3 off coupon. I might go ahead and grab one of these because the coupon is for the body butter, so I'll probably grab one of these just to use this coupon here. So now breaking this down with my 2 items here, it is $7.99 times 2 brings us to $15.98 minus our $5 in CRT for the Love Beauty and Planet, our $3 CRT for our Dove, our $3 coupon that was on the product brings us to $4.98, and then these are buy 2 and get $5 in extra bucks. So minus our $5 in extra bucks makes these 2 completely free. Easier deal if your store does have these coupons on the Dove product. This one here is specifically for the shower butter, but I did see one for the cleansers for the body wash. So you can actually just grab 2 of the Dove products using 2 of these coupons that were on the product. It's $16 for the 2 minus the $6 in coupons brings you down to $10. You get $5 in extra bucks, making it $5 for 2, which is $2.50 each. Now for our last deal, which I'm super sad because I wanted toilet paper so bad and I can't find toilet paper anywhere. We need the Scott 1000. We need the 12-pack. They don't have it. They do have the Viva. It is part of the promotion. So I'm going to throw up a scenario here, which I shared on Instagram. You can grab 3 of the Scott toilet paper, and if you have a 4 off of 12 CRT, would make it only $4.99 each. Awesome deal. Another scenario, grabbing 2 of the Scott and grabbing 1 of the Viva makes it $4.65 each after our CRT and then our $2 or 2 digitals. So we have a digital, a 1 off of 1 for the Viva and a 1 off of 1 for the Scott. But like I said, my store, we're not working with anything. We only got 2 Viva and we got no Scott. So I'm gonna try a different store. Hopefully you guys can get in on this deal because we haven't had a good paper deal in a while, and I think this is a pretty good one. Here we go. All right guys, this is what my cart is looking like right now. We found 1 other Viva, so we're gonna grab 3 Viva with this. It's gonna be $1 more just because we don't have the Scott to use that $1 digital. I'm not using a 4 off of 12 CRT for our Scott or for that Viva deal. I'm actually gonna throw in a 10 off of 70 for this entire purchase. I'll be honest with you guys, I was excited over the deals individually, but then when you do them all together, it adds up. The cost adds up. So everything actually went great, except that yours truly forgot to clip a digital coupon for this Burt's Bees, so it came out $2 higher, but I did get $2 in extra bucks back from the cashier. Normally when this happens, I just let them know that the digital coupon I forgot to clip, or if it's a CRT that I didn't attach, and they'll auto issue extra bucks. And then of course, as usual, you guys know me, I never have enough extra bucks to roll, so I got $56 in extra bucks back for all of these purchases here, and I only had 45. So I'm gonna show you guys my receipt. Telling you guys right now, it is not cute because it is a super high out of pocket, but you guys can see here all of my digitals went through. That $3 coupon that we found on the Dove product attached perfectly. The Dove, the Garnier, the Tide, the Pampers, the Oral-B, the Degree, the Axe all went through perfectly, plus that 10 off of 70, our baby care CRT, our 4 off of 18 hair CRTs, our deodorant CRTs, our Dove CRTs, our Love and Beauty CRTs, and then just everything else you guys can see here attached perfectly. Actually, now that I'm looking at it, I do not see the Axe CRT, so I might run back into store to see why that didn't attach, or see if I didn't clip it. But then look at that beautiful subtotal. Let's not look at the beautiful California tax, but look at that subtotal. My subtotal should have been $11 cheaper if I would have rolled to the T extra bucks, and then that $2 digital for the Burt's Bees, since I didn't clip it, it didn't attach either. So this subtotal should have been $13 cheaper. And I did use gift cards though. So I did use gift cards to lower my out of pocket, so it's not that bad. And I did do the full math breakdown. So here is our grand total for our items here, $49.75. But I do need to take into calculation the Ibotta rebate that we're gonna get back for the Burt's Bee, which is 25 cents. So 25 cents makes a difference. It's gonna bring us to $49.50. And then I'm gonna check to see that Axe CRT. I might run back in the store to see if I get extra bucks for that. But with this right here, $49.50, we got 25 items. Let's divide it by 25. Brings us to $1.99 per item. So a pretty high out of pocket. I think our deal that cost us the most was the Pampers with the Tide and the wipes, and then our paper towels. Those were pretty high out of pocket. So you guys should try to do like the freebie deals and not be like me, because some deals I probably could have skipped on out. I probably could have skipped out on the Pampers and not the paper towels. I probably would have done that with a 10 off of 70. But other than that, not bad, not a bad deal, not bad overall. Our hair products were $123 each after all of our CRTs and extra bucks and digital coupons. Our Dove body wash was free. I probably could have skipped out on the deodorant one because those were a little high out of pocket. And I probably could have skipped out on the Burt's Bees as well. Probably waited for a free deal. They actually had 3 Gillette. I asked in store, so they had 3. So these ended up being a small money maker. But this is my haul. Hope you guys like it. Let me know in the comments what you think. Let me know in the comments what deals you guys are going to be doing. And we'll see you guys in our next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.